Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Today, very, very nice day. And I should note, I did this one a couple of days ago, so that's where these red or green and red lines are coming from. But today, yeah, definitely a nice, pretty much chapter within the story, if you will. And that chapter revolves around this green line right here, the 75-cent mark, which for those of you that have watched the past videos, you know that I've talked about as a very important level of support. And you can see this morning, the Bears tried to do battle with it. It was almost kind of like the Bulls were playing games with the Bears. They temporarily let the price get down there and then almost said, haha, just kidding, and then blasted the price back up. So, you know, Bulls playing some games with the Bears down there. But more importantly, from, you know, the bigger picture perspective, this is a very important level of support. You want to see it hold, and that's what happened here. It did indeed hold and then provided a nice bounce to the price. So, from that point of view, yeah, very bullish chapter, and you certainly want to see that continue to happen going forward because, as I've said in past videos, the last thing you want to see the price do is fall back inside of the range it already was. So before the big move happened, you know, the price was kind of hovering down around that area of the chart, and you don't want to see the price revisit this range, right? I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. You want to see price movements make progress forward. You don't want to see them go back to where they were, especially back inside of ranges. And that's why 75 cents is so important. But again, fantastic job so far on the bullish part of maintaining that. Now on the flip side, where are some of these levels of resistance at? All about the purple line right there as it stands. That is the famous 50-period simple moving average. You can see it basically tapped it right there. If the price can push through the 50-period, then you have its big brother up there, that pink line, which is the 200-period simple moving average. So some potential big battles going on tomorrow if the price can continue to work its way upwards. All in all, though, good day. Good to see 75 cents hold. So we'll see how the rest of this week all unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.